Hi, it's Michelle here, LAMAV's brand educator. Here at LAMAV, we view beauty as a holistic practice, nurturing our inner health to feel healthy, happy, and most importantly, in balance. With the launch of our new body range, which we're so excited about, we have once again turned to Ayurveda for education and inspiration to help you become the healthiest and happiest version of you. We are so excited to share our new range of Ayurvedic body oils and how you can best utilize these oils at home by introducing the ritual of Abhyanga Massage into your daily self-care routine. Unlike moisturizers, body oils are able to penetrate deeper into the skin, supercharging hydration and delivering a burst of nutrients and nourishment. As an Abhyanga massage treatment, you can follow the following steps. Before showering, warm your preferred LAMAV Ayurvedic body oil by placing it in hot water until it reaches your desired temperature. Begin your massage at the crown of the head using your fingers to rub gently in a clockwise motion. Then focus on your extremities, the hands and feet, using an open flat palm and firm strokes. Move on to the arms and legs using firm upwards and downward strokes, switching to circular motions for your joints. To massage the belly, use circular clockwise motions to assist with the natural flow of digestion. Follow with your chest using upward strokes from underneath the breasts up towards your collarbone and neck. Reach your lower back as best as you can, using your fingertips to massage downwards, promoting increased energy. Take your time massaging the whole body for up to 20 minutes, and if possible, allow the oils to penetrate for several minutes before enjoying a warm shower. Please note that while Abhyanga massage is intended as a daily use and it can be a beautiful natural practice to do at home, if you are feeling unwell or you do have any injuries, it is best to avoid massage. Over time, with regular use of our oils, you will notice an improvement in the appearance of any sun damage or scarring that you may have on the skin. Massaging with our oils regularly will also increase skin suppleness and just give you a really beautiful, dewy, healthy complexion. At LAMAV, we promise to not only improve your skin, but also your quality of life.